Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve the error of Messenger, that is Messenger notifications not incoming in your phone. I'm going to show you 4 possible fixes that you can try in order to solve this issue. Okay, without any delay, let's just get started. So guys, you can see I'm on my Messenger right now and I had this problem a week ago, and I'm going to show you 4 possible fixes that you can try in order to solve this issue. Okay, the first option is that you're just going to tap on this app switcher button and then completely exit the Messenger app. Now again relaunch the app, and this might solve the issue. And in case if it doesn't solve the issue, let's go to the second option, that is just go back and then long tap on this Messenger icon and you'll see one I button here. Just tap on this I button and then it will lead you to the settings page of Messenger. Just scroll down and then just find an option called storage and then just clear the data by tapping this clear data option here. I'm not going to do that right now. After clearing the data, just go back to your Messenger app and you'll just have to log in again, and this problem might get fixed after that. In case if it doesn't solve the issue, now let's go to the third option, that is you're gonna go to the settings of your phone and then just search battery on the settings page, and you'll see one option here called optimize battery. Here second option, just tap on this option and just tap on this optimize battery uses. So your phone battery might have been optimized in case of Messenger and this problem might occur. So we're just gonna tap on this all apps here and it will show you the apps that are optimized. Okay, we're just gonna search here Messenger and search, and you can see Messenger has been optimized. So we're just gonna turn off Messenger from here and it has been turned off. Now the issue might get fixed. And in case if this third option doesn't solve your issue, we have last option, that is go to settings page and search here update and scroll down and you're gonna go to software update and then just download and install the latest software on your Android phone. So these are the 4 possible fixes that you can try in order to solve this issue. Okay, if you like this video, then just give a thumbs up, and if you have found this video very useful, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.